How to remove Meta Account Center from Instagram. In today's video, I'll show you the quickest and easy way to remove Meta Account Center from Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, go ahead and open Instagram app and make sure to log in on your Instagram account. Then tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access to this profile feed, select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're on the settings and activity page, under your account, select Account Center at the top of the screen. Now once you open the Account Center, scroll down and select Accounts at the bottom of the screen. You can review the accounts that you have in this Account Center from there. So here you will see all the list of the accounts. So you need to select any account that you would like to remove. So tap on remove button and here you can select remove account at the top of the screen. So here are the other options to change the way you use your connected experience instead of removing your account. But now we want to remove Meta Account Center from Instagram. So you can select remove account, so it will lose access to connected experiences and it will not delete or deactivate your account. Once you have selected remove account, and you have to select the continue button and follow the on-screen prompts. Once done, you can easily remove Meta Account Center from Instagram. So that was it guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.